Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back, and today is another update after some few holidays, religious holidays, Eid, and I hope you had a nice one. It has been very hot this time around, and it's still hot. There's a huge heat wave, especially where I am, and Pepe right now is at 1287, and looking at Pepe at the moment, we have something, some few comments as far as I've been checking, the patterns right now. And when I scroll onto the 4 hour time frame, especially, we are sitting at a very important levels with Pepe right now. And it's not just Pepe, but I think that there is Ethereum as well, and Ethereum looks like a certain way. And I'm going to show you that what exactly am I looking at. So we have a pattern, and this pattern looks like this, right? A distribution pattern. It has broken to the downside, and we have a redistribution going on, and I feel like there is still another drop coming in, which is going to be the last one, and from here we can start accumulation and go back up again in the future. So I'm going to tell you that Pepe right now is sitting at a supply zone, and Ethereum is also sitting at a supply zone right now. So if I show you Ethereum, because Ethereum is really linked with altcoins as well, we have Ethereum here. So I'm going to actually go on and show you on the 4 hour time frame. This is how Ethereum actually looks like, and we have this one touch in there, we have another touch in here, we have a fake out over there, and this is another touch right over here for Ethereum. Now eventually what you can do is you can get rejected and come down to the demand box down to 2370, and if you do that, Ethereum is going to actually correct down all the way to for a 12% if it actually does that. So that's one thing that can happen, or you can be bullish and you can break above here and actually continue and start to go on and climb to the upside. Now, of course, any move here for Ethereum is going to affect the move of Pepe. And then again, when you go on to Pepe and you try to get into the 15 minutes time frame here, I think that Pepe is pretty much doing the very same thing. And in here, you can see that we are sitting at a certain resistance right now. And the scenario is, of course, the following. So we're going to take and draw this resistance line right over here. Now, you can actually even go on and suppose that this box here actually stretches out, and you can pull the box all the way up like this, right? So this is how you can say that the box really is. Now previously it was acting as support, right? So you got supported, you jumped off, you got supported again, you got supported in here, another support in there, another few support until you didn't lose it for the first time, came up, back tested it as resistances here, and you can see that this line, this area has a lot of influence. The one that I draw, the yellow box, has a lot of influence already. So from this place, if you do not do something where you break above and continue to the upside, then it's highly possible that you get rejected and then go to the downside. Now, how low can you go? Remember when I showed you Ethereum? That's how low you can go. So if Ethereum, for example, decides to go on and drops down to that demand box, that's going to be 11%. So by the time Ethereum drops 11%, then you can match the move toe-to-toe for Pepe. So in here, yes, I would actually still say that it could be a good shorting opportunity, because then again, you are pumped up pretty high. And of course, on the RSI, I think you still have a bit of a divergence in here. You have a move to the upside like this. The RSI is actually slightly bending down, not too much. It's not a very big divergence, but the thing is still that, yes, it does look like a divergence, and potentially we could actually even be looking for one top in here and another top right there. And from here, you can actually go down, make a double top. You can break from here, and you can actually get an entry once the break actually happens. And that's it for the video on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.